Hello everyone, this is Dennis with Grizzly Soft Wash. We're here at this cute little house in Woodstock and we're gonna do a house wash. We're gonna get this driveway looking good and all cleaned up. See Chris there on the pressure washer, he's doing all the surface cleaning. We'll walk up here, we'll get a little noisy because of the machine. You see Eli's pulling hose for us to do all the soft washing and get all the grime and dirt off the house. So stay tuned. We will show you how it turns out. One of the things the homeowner asked us to do was to clean their concrete patio. This is really nice patio, fire pit. We took off all the furniture. We're gonna wash and rinse down all their furniture for them. And they also asked if we would clean their umbrella. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Already got some solution on there. Got some algae and some mold that's growing in that umbrella. So we're cleaning the top side and the bottom side as we work our way around the house. See Eli there is rinsing off our cleaning solutions. So stay tuned, we'll show you some more. So we've already solutioned this patio. And we're soft washing this patio because it was just laid not quite 6 months ago from what the homeowner tells us. And so we didn't want to put any pressure on this. So we're soft washing it and Eli is brushing the surface so we can loosen all the dirt and grime that's on there. And then we'll rinse this clean. Well, we're done soft washing this house and the patio. Came out really clean. Put all the furniture back. Made friends with Zeus. We'll look at the house here. We did the staircase as well as the back side of the house. I'll take you around the front side here as we walk around. We also did this pathway that goes around to another small little patio of sorts by their side door. You can tell that surface came out really clean. As we go out the gate to the front yard, we did the front porch or deck, cleaned all of that off, got the algae off of it, and everything was done soft washing. We didn't use any pressure on it, except for the driveway concrete. Now this driveway is still wet, and it doesn't look like it's very clean, but once it dries, it will clean up great. You see some of the dry areas there, how bright that turned out. So this is Dennis with Grizzly Soft Wash. If we can help you soft wash or pressure wash at your property, please give us a shout, 678-727-2062. This is Dennis. We'll talk with you soon. Grrr.